Relax, listen, and speak naturally. Welcome to English IRL.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English in Real Life. Have you ever felt nervous when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself"? Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary, but they struggle to talk about themselves naturally. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to introduce yourself confidently in English. I'll show you useful sentences and a complete self-introduction that you can use in real life, at school, college, work, interviews, or when meeting new people. Let's get started.
When introducing yourself, start with your name. You can say, "My name is John." "I'm John." "Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you." Now let's add your age. "I'm 25 years old." "I'm 18 years old." "I'm in my 20s." Next, talk about where you're from. "I'm from India." "I come from Himachal Pradesh." "I live in New Delhi." Example: "Hi, I'm Tina. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Delhi, India." Simple and natural.
People often talk about their families. Useful sentences. I come from a small family. There are 4 members in my family. I live with my parents. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My family is very supportive. Example: there are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 sisters, and me. We enjoy spending time together.
Now let's talk about education. Useful sentences. I'm a student. I study at a university. I'm in my final year. My major is computer science. I'm preparing for competitive exams. Example: I'm currently studying business administration at university. I enjoy learning about marketing and management.
If you work, you can talk about your profession. Useful sentences. I'm a teacher. I work as a software engineer. I'm self-employed. I run an online business. I work for a private company. Example: I work as a graphic designer. I create designs for websites and social media. I enjoy my job because it's creative.
Talking about hobbies makes conversations more interesting. Useful sentences. I enjoy reading books. I love watching movies. I like playing cricket. I'm interested in photography. I enjoy learning new languages. Example: in my free time, I enjoy reading books and watching educational videos. I also like listening to music and spending time with friends.
People often ask about your future plans. Useful sentences. My goal is to become a doctor. I want to improve my English. I'm working toward my dream career. I hope to start my own business. I want to travel around the world. Example: my dream is to become a successful entrepreneur. I'm learning new skills every day to achieve this goal.
Complete self-introduction example. Now let's put everything together. Hello, everyone. My name is Tina Sharma, and I'm 24 years old. I'm from Delhi, India. There are 5 members in my family, and we share a close bond. I'm currently working as a digital marketer. I enjoy helping businesses grow online and learning new marketing strategies. In my free time, I like reading books, watching documentaries, and improving my English speaking skills. I'm a positive and hardworking person who always tries to learn something new. My goal is to build a successful career and continue growing both personally and professionally. Thank you for listening. It was nice introducing myself.
Now it's your turn. Write your own self-introduction using the structure from today's lesson. Name, age, hometown, family, education or job, hobbies, goals. Practice speaking it every day, and you'll become more confident in English conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English in Real Life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Thanks for spending time with English IRL tonight. See you in the next conversation.